Welcome back. This is Wisconsin Shoe Guy, and today you can see we have another pair from Ichigo Ichie, shoemaker from Japan, who is still using the logo that he came up with for my very first pair from him. So super excited to see that. And now you see he changed his boxes a little bit, which is even better. And they now have this little breathable space, and his shoes come wrapped in plastic like this to make sure that they're undamaged. But I took the opportunity to take these out before we start looking at it together. So here they are, and you can see there's a spare set of insoles. Take a look at these full strap loafers and how this beautiful dark brown hatch grain, super soft to the touch, just enough square on the chisel to be a very, very good and unique look in these shoes. So I'll put that here out. Let's take a look here. See beautiful soles, his custom toe plates, and look at that fiddle. Very nice. Here, now these are his ready to wear, not his bespoke, made to measure. So this is not blind stitched, it's nothing fancy, just a good, nice 270 welt, and he's got some really, really fine fudging along the 180. So take a look at that. Let's take a look at the other one. See how these compare. Now this is on Asian shoes, it's very common for the taper to be just a little bit more on the heel than it is on Western shoes. They don't really do the gentleman notch that you get. It's very, very well executed for a $500 pair of shoes. You get hand welted, handmade. These just don't touch machines, except for the stitching. And when I mean the stitching, I mean the uppers. Now, not necessarily a part like this, but where they're stitching the upper together, they would definitely use a machine. But these are just really, really incredible quality for just a $500 price point. So very excited by these and what he's able to do with these shoes. So this is Wisconsin Shoe Guy. I'm very excited about this pair. I will report back after I have them on the hoof.